let's get ready for bed. So this is my current skincare routine after a day at home wearing a full face of makeup. And you'll see I have like layers on. But first thing we gotta do is get the hair out of the face and remove these lashes. I'm wearing a foundation stick with lots of shadows, as you can see. So the first thing I like to do is use a makeup melter. I've been trying not to use makeup wipes, I want to say since the holidays, just because it's a lot of waste, and makeup melter actually is a little bit more effective and saves the environment. So I'm going to work with the makeup melter all over the face first, around my nose, my chin where I applied on a lot of makeup, especially under my eyes. Then I'm going to do circular motions on the forehead and just work my way down my temples. Next thing you know, I'm going to go in with another amount, and this is going to be for the eyes. Then I'm going to gently just do circular motions around my eyes. I like to go across my lashes as well because I did wear some lashes. Sometimes I have extra adhesive in between my lashes. So with the makeup melter, it lightly breaks it down. Then during my second cleanse, it's just going to be easier for me to wash off. Now I'm going to take some warm water and rinse this off. And moving on to my second cleanser. I like this cleanser because it's good for after using the makeup melter to get rid of extra dirt, grime, oil. So it's going to act as a double cleanser, but it's still gentle where it doesn't strip my skin. I have to add a little bit water because it was drying out, so I'm just using this to kind of create a little bit of a lather. And I'm gonna work under my chin and jawline just in case if I missed it during my first cleanse. Again, using warm water to rinse and gently pat dry. Next, since my skin is so dry from this weather and allergies, I'm going to use a mask. This is the Lotus Mask by Fresh. I love this because it's like a little exfoliator scrub. It has all these natural ingredients and fruits in there, and it just makes my skin super smooth after I rinse it off. See, I use this so much, there's no more. And yes, this mask is actually gentle to use on the daily. Now let's add some balance back into the skin. I'm going to use this Ren Tonic skincare. I love this stuff so much. It really brightens the skin. It's going to even everything out, and it smells so fresh. This will also help to get extra oils and dirts that you can't see, but you'll see it on the cotton round, and it's gross. So I started using this new skincare machine. It's by NuFACE. This is gonna help lift the skin, it's gonna help with contouring, and it's also gonna help fight wrinkles. Keep in mind you can't use this machine on dry face because it will shock you. So I'm gonna use this fresh rose serum and I'm just gonna work it on parts of my face because if I apply it onto the whole face, it's gonna dry, I'm gonna have to reapply. And we don't wanna apply on too much product. So this is actually a machine that you have to work really slow. Start off with the power button. I have this on the lowest setting because I'm just starting to use this and I don't want it to be too aggressive. But the point is you have to use it in very slow motion. And then by the time you hear the beep is when you move to the next section. So I'm gonna start under my eyes, bringing it up to my temples. And then under my cheeks, I'm gonna contour it. And then the third part is right at my jawline, bringing it all the way up to my ears. So I do 2 sets, working from the top to the bottom, then bottom to the top. This is actually really soothing and relaxing because it's nice and cool. Then the last steps is my neck to my jawline. Once I'm done with the face machine, I'm gonna jump in with a face cream. This helps with firming, wrinkles, and it also has retinol. So I wanna use this because it's the heaviest product and I wanna seal the deal and make sure all the products I use beforehand penetrates into the layers of my skin. So that's pretty much it, guys, but I did forget some lip balm, so that is very important. I'm gonna take another fresh product. This is the Watermelon Sugar Lip Balm. It smells so good, it just saturates my lips. And my eyes may look a bit red. I think the shadows I use kind of stain them, but my skin feels nice and clean. It's glowy, it feels non-clogged. And this is my current skincare routine, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's time for bed. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!